the Sharks display team for so many seasons.
Yeah, we always wanted to use some of the stuff.
And we do have a former Sharks team leader flying a number of spots today in the form of John Beattie, don't we?
Yes, and John Beattie was my instructor, so he's responsible for almost everything that happened to me.
So what was the training sort of onwards from the Mark II seeking? What were the other types you flew in your active service?
Eventually we dragged away from aviation.
So very, very full. A very, very full career that you all put down in terms of where it originated.
I said, later became 847 Naval Air Squadron, now one of the ex-Sharks Gazelles.
It was a very interesting innovation, the fenestrong tail, wasn't it, when it first came into use on the Gazelle?
It was. We all wondered about the efficiency of the design because of the ducted fan. As it turned out, the shrouded effect was particularly effective because of the reduction in drag in forward flight.
The Gazelle, of course, part of the great Anglo-French collaboration of the late 1960s between Westland and Aerospatiale, which also involved the Puma and the Lynx.
As far as its RAF service was concerned, this was primarily in the training role with number 2 flying training. RAF officer flying the C-17 transport. Number 2 is Andy Wellesley, who flew with the Royal Marines.